Hi guys, what's up and welcome back again to our channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you all how I achieve this Faux Updo hairstyle. Please watch to the end and don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Alright, now to begin the hairstyle, I'm going to make a part going from ear to ear, just a straight line, to divide the hair into two unequal parts. Here, I'm applying edge control to make the parts neat and defined. Now I'm going to divide the back section into 3 ponytails. Here, I'm applying gel to slick down the ponytail and then use a brush to blend the gel and also a band to hold the hair in a ponytail. Just watch as I do all of that. Now making the next part, I'm starting at the edge of the very first part I made. And I'm going in an upward diagonal direction to divide the remaining part of the back section into second and third parts. After that, apply gel to the sections and put them in ponytails with rubber bands. When you're done with the back section, move to the front and do the same thing. Now to make the bun for each ponytail, I'm slightly combing the hair out to detangle it. Then, I'm going to split the hair in half to make a twist. After that, I twirl the twist around to make a bun. So I'm going to do the same thing to all the ponytails. Now for the hawk look, I'm using a kinky hair. So I use a rubber band to hold the hair in the middle. And then connect it to the natural hair bun, just the way you see me doing. After that, use the kinky hair extension to cover the natural hair bun. Then, use elastic bands to secure the bun, but not too tightly. After doing all of that, cut off the excess kinky hair. Then, push the remaining blunt ends of the kinky hair into the bun. Do the same to all the natural hair bun. Here is the final look. It's really a cute and quick hairstyle. I trust you all find the tutorial very easy to follow. Thanks so much for watching.